Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned for these tips and tricks.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we are going to give you some insight into how to keep sane in this crazy market.
Right?
Real estate markets across the U.S. right now are on fire, but we are seeing it especially here in Northwest Florida. We have a beautiful climate here,
Yes.
both in actual physical surroundings and economically. People are moving to Florida, Northwest Florida especially.
Right.
So we thought we would come to Beachy Beach Real Estate.
Yes.
And what's the plan for today? We're going to get people's insight.
Yeah, so let's go in. We're going to ambush some of these agents and we're going to find out what are some of their tips and tricks for sellers and buyers to stay sane in this market.
Yeah, and we're getting them to answer off the cuff, no script.
Yep.
We want to know, what are your secrets? How do you stay sane in this crazy market?
So are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. You on the spot right now. You've been in this business for a few years. You have been working for a broker for many, many years. What are your tips and tricks off the top of your head to stay sane in this bananas market?
Have a huge bag of cash. That would be extremely helpful.
Like for your real estate agent or for the property?
Yes. For buyers, start with a local lender. There is nothing worse than falling in love with a property and then finding out that it is out of your price range. A pre-approval letter from a local lender makes you more competitive when making an offer.
Okay, I was going to ask you that. Are people just not taking you seriously if you don't have that financing all lined up?
Yes, and most sellers are actually requiring pre-approval letters to
Okay.
make their offers right now.
Well, I always give my new buyers a Beachy Beach folder, and I put in it how to buy a condo or a house in Florida.
Okay.
And I go down the list, and I also say if you buy in Bay County, the seller pays closing. You buy in Walton County, buyer pays.
Okay, so Miranda, what is your tip for sellers or buyers in this crazy market?
For buyers to please be patient.
Make sure that you use your local lenders.
Make sure you use a very reputable inspector.
What is a tip and trick for the buyers and sellers in this market?
I would insist that your agent provide you a municipal lien search because that's important because it'll show expired and or open permits.
Always be patient with appraisals. They're one of the last things to take place.
Okay, so what is your tip or trick for buyers sellers in this market?
Yes, you need to order your surveys right away first thing. They take quite a bit of time.
All right, Sheldon, what is your tip or trick for buyers and sellers in this crazy market?
Have all your affairs and orders before you put the offer in. Already have your people working with your lender, have a connection with their lender as well, and just be ready to go as soon as they say put that offer in. Because if you wait, you're gonna miss.
That's perfect advice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're here with Karen Smith, owner of Beachy Beach. What is your tip or trick for buyers or sellers in this crazy market?
Well, very seldomly will you get your plan A. I'm not usually a plan B person. I'm usually like shoot for the moon and I do everything to get the moon. But right now, I think it's best if you're a buyer to have an A, B, and a C.
Absolutely.
To not put your heart into one property.
So it's been a great day here at Beachy Beach Real Estate, trying to check out what are some tips and tricks for you guys in this absolutely crazy market. So don't forget, you can put a comment below, click the bell, watch thebeachshow.com, and we'll see you soon.